This is way big. Oh. Hey, what's up, Hams? I am working on a new game today. So, I don't know if you've probably seen it, but there's this game called Slime RNG, where you roll for slimes, and it's been blowing up. And I thought it might be a cool idea to make Retro Cats RNG. So we're gonna kind of make something like this, but using the Retro Cat characters. Because I think there's a lot of these cats. There's a virus. Get out of here. A lot of these cats, they're really cool, and we have a lot of them. And it just makes sense to try and use them for something else. Yeah. I need to copy the materials over, because they're not looking right. There we go. This is all the cats in the game, except the new ones coming out on Saturday. Even the event ones, Valentine's Day, Christmas. There's a lot of them, to be honest. Let's see, how many is there? $136 minus 9 because it's... Oh no, it didn't select them. Yeah, 136 cats. Wow. But anyway, I'm basically just starting this. I'm basically just starting this game. I have not really done anything yet. All I've done is brought over a game, so we will have to start it. Should organize this. Pretty much it. Let's see. Chance name. Then I'll just draw black item. Let me also just set up, I want to add modifiers, kind of like what we already have. So that basically I'm copying Slime RNG bar for bar right now. Because in their game they have the base versions, and then they have like big, they have huge, like we have, they have shiny. They also have inverted, which is kind of cool. So I'm basically copying this right now to make sure we have this, and then I can start working on the roll mechanic, which is basically the first thing we need to do. Something like that. I don't even know if I'll do that. Let's leave that for later. Yeah. We'll just return this, and then modifiers, which we'll now just leave as empty so that there's none. And then I think we can basically work with this for now. And now I just need to copy the UI part, which is going to be fun. See, how do they do? Well, they hide all the other UI when you roll. Interesting. Okay. Okay, let me... make this UI real quick. Let's see. It's gonna be easier if I just get a screenshot of this so I can have it on the other monitor. Hey, what's up? They love Visa. They love Visa, is that it? Welcome in. I am working on a new game right now. Visa, nice. So I don't know if you've seen this game Slime RNG. We're basically making Slime RNG, but with cats, retro cats. Because I really like these characters. Are these new cats? No, these are just the existing cats we already have. This is every cat in the game. You see here. Yeah, Slime RNG. We're basically gonna copy Slime RNG. But I'm sure Leaf won't mind. That's the developer of it. So yeah, we're basically gonna make something with all these cats because there's a lot of these, and I think some of them are pretty cool. And I mean, gonna try and just get it out in like a couple weeks. I think a lot of it is kind of already made, so I think it is a short-term game that we can really just pump out. Yeah, pretty much. It'll be the same team that made Don't Wake the Retro Cats or Steal from Retro Cats. Same team as before. Yeah, kind of like a collaboration. I'm a partial owner. I own part of it. Oh, come on. Probably won't be a very exciting stream. I'm really just going to be working. I did this when I started working on Steal from Retro Cats. I did a couple live streams on Twitch working on the game, and it kind of helped motivate me to work on it. So yeah, a part of it. Not on Twitch right now. I was before, but I did a poll in the Discord server, and it was like pretty much everybody said they were on YouTube. If we go in here, yeah, 93 votes versus 19 votes. So I was like, okay, people probably are just gonna watch on YouTube more than they will on Twitch, but that's okay. I kind of like Twitch more, but got to stream where people are at. I do watch YouTube more. Yeah, I don't really watch many streamers myself. I don't know. I just never really did. I'll sometimes watch like other Roblox developers, but I don't really watch any like gaming streams or anything. If you get a notification, yeah, sometimes I check in on it. This isn't gonna look great for a while, but we're just kind of getting this base set up. See. Just do it right here. I'm out right now, but I saw your ping and wanted to see. Nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna be just working on this. I can't press that little thing up there. yeah, I'll be sure to. I'll probably do a bunch of streams about it. Um, so I mean, if you have the stream ping on, then I'm sure you'll see more of it over time. Hmm. Thought I had something in here. Item. I was sure that there was like a dice in here. Maybe it's called die. Oh, dude, I think my search thing is busted right now. Slime RNG, right? Yeah, that's the game. I mean, that's not my game. That's just a game that's popular right now, but we're copying that game. Here it is. Yeah, it's not showing up for some reason in my search. There we go. I'll come into your streams often. Sweet. I appreciate that. Wait, what am I doing? Invoke server. Just print results for now. Turn this off. All right, see you later. I'll be here. Let's see. Prince White Cat. Okay, cool. Add a couple more just to add some extras. Let's see. Boom. We can mostly copy this. Gift cat? What the? You're not supposed to be in here. You're a Christmas one. Here we go. And there we go. Now, got a black cat, white cat, black cat. Mostly that's what it'll get. Got a brown, orange, gray. Cool. Pretty much works. Now I just need to make this little cutscene part, which is going to be fun. Close the menus. I think I already have a hide UI. Yeah. Services.hide UI. Roll true. Pretty sure. Yeah. Okay. Let me just test. Yep, okay. Jeez. So much scrolling. Let's work on this a little more. Might be using Codex for this. Yeah, we can have AI do this. Let's see. Oops. Just gonna create that here so I can get it on the client as well. Fuck it. We'll just see if that works. Ooh, lightning fruit. Give me that. Any others? I don't think so. Yeah. Oh my god, he found Magician. Bruh. Well, I guess I could ping in this Discord. Forgot I have multiple. Yeah. I'll do that. Kinda forgot I had this one. Oh. I didn't give him the place file. Whoopsies. Alright, intern. Get to work. What's up, play? I'm copying Slime RNG right now. Pretty much bar for bar. Having my intern do some work. What's up, Winter? Is this translated? Oh, derp. Why did it translate that as out? That's weird. I'm doing it with my cat's characters. All of these. Because we made a lot of these, and I feel like this is kind of perfect. Like Slime RNGs, all like cutesy slimes. I think these are like a perfect fit for that. Come on, intern, work up. Hurry up. Boo Boo Cat. Yeah, there's Labubu's. There's a lot of characters and stuff. I opened up submissions. People have been making these now. We don't even have to make them anymore. Just let the players do it. I love them all. I know. They're really good, honestly. We have Meowl. This one was requested for a long time, and we finally did it. One blocking issue showed up. Oh. I don't know what that is. What is it? Why did it add an emoji down here? What is this? Dude. Dude, it did not. You are not done yet. What was that? Oh my goodness. Display role. Yeah. Task.wait 3. Dude, you are not done yet. Did it, dude, is it... Where is the button going? Bottom buttons. What? Oh, I know why that's happening. Okay. I forgot. I'm using this function, and I always forget. I need to add attribute default. There we go. Hey, is this like clipping descendants or something? Generated roll slots. Why are you clipping descendants? What is that? Fuck ass intern, bro. List. Yeah, I think I'll just kind of do this myself. Create role item. Dude, oh my god, it added so many functions. Dude. Yeah, I'll just do this myself. Can't trust this intern with anything. You don't need to be normalized. You don't need to do that. You can define this out here. Don't gotta do any of that. Just roll through 20. How does this do it? Just copying Slime RNG. Oh, dude, they like resize it. Oh. Interesting. Okay. Idiot derp? What do you mean, idiot derp? What'd I do? I wonder if I could use a UI page layout for this. I'm gonna try and get AI to do it again. I really don't want to do this. Let's see. Um, What's up? Dogman, you're Dogman, right? Pretty sure I recognize the name. Everyone has different usernames on YouTube than Discord or Twitch, so it's like, I don't know who people are. Just off of their usernames. Dogman, I'm copying Slime RNG right now. WRNG game, how's it going? Basically just started today. I am too, nice. I'm using all the cats characters from Don't Wake the Retro Cats, or Steal from Retro Cats. So we're gonna have all these characters. They're gonna be the cats. Hammer RNG, nice, nice. I feel like everyone's doing an RNG game now. Leaf just started a new, another awakening of the genre. Similar situation. I'm using a bunch of old hammer models I made from Blender years ago. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, I was working on the other game that I made a couple like YouTube shorts and TikToks on, but that game's not very time sensitive, and I feel like this is, so I'm trying to get it out quickly. I'm trying to get my intern to do the rolling visual right now because I'm being very lazy. I know. Fuck ass intern did the wrong fucking thing. Not what I asked for at all. It did some random bullshit. I'll just give it that. See if that works. It's the same. I'm pretty sure it's the same intern as Dirt Monster 83. It's always these interns. Nah, we don't know. You can. I don't see a chat. Is he here? I don't see his chat message. Dude. You guys are in the Discord. Lol, so he ignores me. Dude, I don't see it. Oh, it's on top chat. Oh. Dude, you have to go to live chat. Oops. Sorry. My bad. I swear I would never ignore you, Derp Monster. You're my favorite streamer ever. I didn't know you were here. Scroll up a bit. Yeah. Dude, why does YouTube do top chat? I don't give a fuck. I just don't want to talk anymore. All right, man. Dude, such a crybaby. Dude, I wish YouTube had emotes. I want to send baby rage in the chat right now. Such a baby. I do like these YouTube emotes though. These things are funny. Ugh. Your dog man. Add as moderator. There you go. You have been enlisted. You are now an employee, and you have to work. Derpy. Why does it keep translating derp? Output equals. Why does it do that? It did that earlier too. Winter said out. Why does it do that? Stream lagging? Shut up. No, it's not. Yeah. Not gonna work on me, Dirt Monster. Dude, can this intern get to work? Oh my god, what is it doing? Dude. All that work. Major F. What's up, Quaze? Dude, I love these little emotes. These things are awesome. Oh, they do have custom ones. Dude, I want to click on the emote. I guess that's probably from like what, subbing to people? Or dude, they're so dumb. Oh, dude, these were Celius's favorite. Dude. Oh, everything reminds me of him. It's so sad what happened. I really miss the little guy. Okay. It added viewport frames. I didn't say to do that. Celius. Heartbroken. I don't know. What is this? Dude, this is not even in my game. It's adding some emoji down here. Fuck ass interns, bro. She died while dating Derp. Sus, that is sus. He was so mangled that they had to DNA test to figure out who it was. That is really weird, yeah. How did you know that? I didn't know you knew all that. Screen capture? Dude. You do not need to be screen capturing. Derp was next of kin. Yeah, that's really weird. There's a bad car accident. It was on the Chinese news network, CNN. Oh. Your intern doesn't seem like it's doing a good job. I know. Dude, did it just do that for me? What is this? Oh, dude, this is the agent. It's a beta feature, I'm pretty sure. That might be what this is, because it just clicked for me. Playtest agent. Dude, they can access that if you turn on that beta, and it'll play for you. The rolling's looking great, thanks. Yeah, it's really small for some reason. Okay, it didn't add like 50 functions. It just created a bunch of frames for no reason, like I already gave it. Bro, no viewport. There is already a frame inside main called template. Use that. It has character, name, and chance text labels. For now, no image. It's like identical to Derp setup. I like the setup. It's good. I think it works. Although I think the webcam's a little big. Now that I'm looking at it. There we go. He's my favorite streamer. Oh, I love everything about him. Is this one-to-one Slime RNG copy with cats? Yeah, I'm using the modded I save instanced Slime RNG, and I'm just gonna copy it all. And I'm basically just redoing the back end. But this Derp Monster looks like he can actually cook, unlike the monster. Yeah, he's the monster. What's up, Anthony? First he copies Slime RNG, now he copies Sir Derp's setup. I know. Leaf Fist. And no, it's not actually. Oh. Yeah, it's trying to... I'm pretty sure that's the live agent. Which I haven't used yet. That's why that confused me. I thought that was like adding some tutorial thing. What's up, Proton? Let the intern do all the work for me. The dev does not approve of this game. Yeah. Let me make a YouTube video about our Slime RNG modded. Do you think he'll like that? If I promote the game? You're definitely like Derp Monster right now. Yeah, that's the setup. Yeah, I'm gonna let it. Yeah, it just took my mouse. What is it doing? Oh my god. Like anything? No. Yo guys, check out my slimes. Look at this. 269 quadrillion. With the lightning fruit. Maxed out. With a lightning blast 4. Holy. And I got the sword fruit. And the fire fruit. And another lightning fruit maxed out. Yep. No big freaking deal. My game hits even 10k CCU, I'll be happy. Yeah. I think that's, anybody would be happy with that. Alright. It's like flat for some reason. I don't know why he did that. It's editing the size. Maybe try X high. Yeah. Derp Monster said I wouldn't. What do you? How much CCU do you think Drillbit's gonna get? I was thinking like, what, like 100k for Drillbit? It's on the low end. My game hits even 3 million CCU, I'll be kinda happy too. Yeah. Yeah, it's not that much really. I mean, everyone's hit that. Everyone at the club. Because you're never happy with anything. Might get between, yeah, 6 or 7 million maybe. I think that's what it'll probably be. Okay, so why are we changing the size? Are we not? Why would you not make it uniform? Oh my god. Jackass, moron, idiot, cucklord, virgin, loser, jackalope. I'm just thinking of all the things he says. Okay. Hop on Omegle. No way am I hopping on Omegle, dude. I'm not gonna win. Let's see. Visible distance, is that what this is? Let's see. I don't think so. I don't know what that means, but people be calling that all the time. Jackalope. I think it's supposed to just be jackass. Oh, yeah, I think that's the right one. Can we get the big man to confirm? Jackalope. What's jackalope? There we go. It's pretty fast. And again, stop turning on fucking frame. It just really wants to do its own thing. Stop turning on clip descendants. I literally didn't do that. It added that there. You jackalope. That's a funny. There we go. Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, not bad. Let's, at the end, when it lands on the one cat, have more cats above as well. That all fade out, or all shrink once it lands. Is this Cats RNG? Yeah, pretty much. Retro Cats RNG. With all these little cats. Oh, they're so cute. Oh. Like 6'7", and Nyan Cat, and I don't know, I got a bunch of them. We started getting a lot of characters. I opened up submissions, so people make all the cats that they want to see. I know, right? Yeah. Like I got this one here, the weird cat. It's gonna be a collaboration with Dog Tower Defense. Whenever Dirt Monster does that, that's a like we have a contract together. So whenever he releases Dog Tower Defense, they're gonna have a collaboration event. Release this quicker. I want all the cats, dude. Blame the intern, man. It's his fault. Dog TD collab. Yeah. Also, let's see. Can I like? Hello. I didn't open you. Put the intern on fast mode. True. Oh my god, my 5% is or my 5 hours already almost up. No. Dude, I don't want to work on by myself. I need my intern to do everything for me. I can't put him on fast, dude. I'm gonna run out. I don't have the expensive plan. Yeah, I can't do it. Fork up $20. I'm on the paid $20 a month plan. I have to get the $100 a month. Manually working sucks, I know, yeah. Oh. My 1 hour loop finally ended. Gotta start that back up. I'm on the 200 sub. I don't remember when I last wrote a line of code. Jeez. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that. Honestly. It's so nice. I just don't have to do anything. Whoops. My fault. I just don't have to do anything. Really. Prompt maxing, yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of... Leaf is like a big inspiration. I know that Leaf basically just vibe coded the whole Slime RNG. Like the back end, he can't add trading because he vibe coded it all and it'd be too complex for the AI to do. So I'm kind of just taking inspiration from Leaf, I think. I'm deving while talking in your chat, no problem, yeah. Yeah, prompt engineer, that's me. You guys like my reference? My elite? The thing that happened earlier today. Wait, is it gonna... Yeah. Look at that. Okay, okay. Trading sucks anyways. Yeah. Do you think you can add trading? I mean, I pretty much already have a full trading system. Not streaming on Twitch? No. Dude, I did a poll in this Discord. This is the Discord for the Retro Cats game. And it was like mostly YouTube. No one really wanted Twitch, so I was like, I'll just stream on YouTube. It seems like everyone gets more views on YouTube anyway. Like Dirt Monster's got 100 viewers, and like he only gets like 5 viewers on Twitch, so obviously there's more people here. You should add multi-stream. I thought of that as well, but I didn't really feel like setting it up, to be honest. Thankfully, I found you. I missed your streams. Yeah, I just started. This is like the first stream I've done, pretty much. It's because Dogman sent it in the Dirt Monster chat. I didn't send it there, and then he did anyway. Ask Calvin. True. I got my intern. Yeah. Start multi-streaming YouTube and Twitch. Yeah. All right. I want to do them a little bit more spacing. Let's see. Between each thing. Still needs more spacing. It's like they're too close together. Your fun, amazing streams, yeah. All right. Let's make it, bruh. Oh. Nice, nice lollipop. That looks, I like the UI. Looking good. Yeah, I'm not gonna exactly copy Slime RNG. In some cases, I think I'm gonna be a little bit different. Just did the UI tonight. ChatGPT made the icons, yeah. Yeah, dude, AI, you can just use AI for everything now. You don't even have to do anything. We have to copy them because the bad update. True, L-Leaf, yeah, I know. Yeah, bad update, terrible update. Dude, that shit was actually so crazy though that people were like that upset about it. AI made those icons? No, not these ones. This is lollipop scam. I wasn't paying attention. Did that work? Yeah. Sweet. Dude, I think I mean, it's not crazy, but I think I just need to get it functioning. I can make it look better later. I mean, I think pretty much. Let's see, we got a white cat. Another white cat. My jackspot spin didn't land on the 1.1QDL update. Oof. Yeah. L-Leaf. Yeah. Dude, I've just been sitting here AFK. I'm trying to get the magician, but I can't get it. Are you gonna add bonus and clovers? I don't know. I was thinking about it. I mean, they just seem like good ideas, but I don't know. I don't want to be. I know I'm basically just copying it, but I don't want to be too much of a copy. Because I haven't really spoken to Leaf that much. Like with Dirt Monster, it's like, what is Dirt, who cares about what Dirt Monster thinks, I'm just going to copy everything. I'll just steal his game and re-upload it and get 200 CCU. But with Leaf, it's like, I haven't really spoken to him. I don't know if I just want to copy everything. My Slime RNG copy already has it. Screw Dirt Monster, true. Dude, he's such a monster. He is just a monster. I think that's good enough for now. Let's simulate what happens if I roll with 2 characters. This is super debuggy, but I don't care. I just want to see what it looks like if it rolls with 2. I learned today you can make text extra bold. Interesting. He banned me because I sent a picture of him SMH. What picture? Hey, hello. Oh, dude. Not bad. Not bad. Dude, what does it take in Dirt Monster? Like, what? A week to do this? I think there's a lot of creative freedom you can have with these type of games. Yeah, I mean, I think it's such a basic genre, but I think there's a lot of appeal in it. Especially, it's such a good such a monetizable game. Like, it's so easy to monetize. Do you think RNG will get saturated? Oh yeah, I think there's going to be a lot more RNG games now. I mean, a bunch of people in this chat are making their own already. I'm sure everyone else, I'm sure there's going to be a new wave of RNG games. Broad format, but really fun. Yeah, I think you can do a lot of different things with it and still be classified as an RNG game. Like, Leaf's RNG game is honestly pretty different than most existing ones. A lot of the RNG games were just like, basically, like, you'd roll for nothing, or you'd roll for like Aura or whatever, like those Aura RNG games, Souls RNG or whatever. Like, you're not really rolling on it for anything. This is like you have the combat part and stuff. Derp cord full of RNG zombies. Yeah, I read this, but I never said anything. I made his skin darker. Didn't think it was that deep. Yeah, that's kind of weird. I don't know about that one. I think that's maybe a little bit weird. Let's see, how much intern do we have left? 30%. Okay, now let's make the auto and hide buttons work. Leaf saw Untitled Melee RNG and made it better. It's actually nice. I haven't played that. Top rolls. Work harder. Okay, jeez. Let's see, we're gonna move coins. Just right here for now. I don't know, I'm just getting it out of the way. Why is your studio old? I put all the old icons in there because I liked them. I never got used to the new ones. I was like, nope, I wanted them back. So whenever the old icons were added, I did that. Let's see, top rolls. Like, change the size a little bit. Oh, are these yeah, these are offset this whole time. Let's make those scale. This is all scale. Melee game, but mixed with his tower defense RNG. I might have seen that, actually. I think I might have seen that. And yeah, it was ooh. Yeah, hold on. There we go. Leave it at that. What am I looking for? Top roll. When we click auto, it should keep rolling after every roll. I'll make it secure later on a set timer. After the roll. Any plans for a map? Different zones or anything? Yeah, I'll probably do something like different zones. That probably won't be done until like next week or something. The modeler on our team is working on another game right now, and then he'll probably come over to this one at some point next week and start making like zones and stuff. Let's see, on a set timer, hide should stop using the big roll UI and use the smaller top roll UI that keeps all the other UI enabled and doesn't fully lock the screen. Yeah, I think it'll be similar. I think what we'll probably do is instead of fighting against other slimes, it'll be your cats. You'll have your cats, and then you'll probably fight against like mice or something like that. Have a bunch of mice you fight against. Something like that, I think. But yeah, I mean, I think very similar to Slime RNG with just a couple differences. Gotta check and see if I got anything. I don't think these new fruits auto collect, so you gotta check it. Dogs. I was thinking about dogs and I was gonna do dogs, but someone on the team said mice, and I thought mice kind of works better than dogs. I mean, think about it. What if I want to do retro dogs RNG, and I want to make an exact copy of the game, but just change the cats into dogs? Don't do dogs. Yeah, I thought mice would work better as the enemies because they're, I don't know, more of a natural enemy. Cats versus dogs definitely works, but it'll also hurt your audience. I don't know about that. You don't own 100% of the game? No, I don't own 100% of, oh my god, I forgot it does that. Oh, it was up there, but it didn't keep rolling. I think it only did hide then. Oh, except it... I need to make it so auto clicking on the thing disables hide. Intern kind of cooked? I mean, yeah, pretty much worked. I just need to tell it what to do. Oh my god, it added like 50 functions. That's one thing I don't like about it, is it adds so many functions, even when I tell it not to. Okay, what else did it change? Let it do its thing. Yeah, it turned on auto. Okay. And then if I turn on hide, it goes up here. Yo. And then if I do this. Okay. Problem is it doesn't let me, it doesn't go back, but I mean, that's a quick fix. Intern cooked. It's the beta feature playtest agent. I don't know if you guys have been using this, but it it can play the game basically. Like it's using the mouse to click on the roll button and then click on the other buttons. It's kind of interesting. And it works with the MCP. Codex can use it. I wonder if that is why this is dying, though. Maybe it takes a lot more usage, because this is draining. I feel like I'm barely doing anything. Maybe that's something to look out for. I also don't think I ever told it to just... Like, it just started doing it. I don't know how it does it. It doesn't say... I thought it added a new GUI. Yeah, no, I thought it was that too for a second, but then I realized, oh, it's controlling my mouse. I was like, what is this emoji? I didn't tell it to do that. Let's make it so clicking the roll button disables hide, but existing roll should keep rolling on the big version seamlessly. Sure. I think it just activates it on its own. Yeah. I'm sure I could tell it not to use it, but I mean, I only have 20% now anyway, so we'll just squeeze it for all it's worth, and then I'll work on my own. I'm not going to pay for that yet. No, what I'll do, I'll get my boss to pay for it for me, and I'll get the more expensive ChatGPT. How did I spend coins? Oh, I bought that. Yeah, okay. Turned on hide. Oh, did it worked. Holy. Yo. That's so good. That's so crazy. All your money going to 1.5K a month thumbnail subscription. Yeah. No. Oh my god, that thing. Yeah. Dude, we're not paying for that. Oh, dang, you got a lot of... I'm looking at... I won't leak it this time. I'm just looking at Lollipop's message. He's got a lot of weapons. Yeah, dude, Codex, oh my god, changes everything. That just works. I mean, it added another couple functions, I bet, but dude, turn on auto, keeps going, and turn on that. It just works. So crazy. Turn off auto and turn on hide, and it doesn't keep rolling. Yeah. Someone is flying behind you in game. What the? Oh, it's you. I was like, who is this? Dude, your name is like in your body. I'm trying to figure out who that is. Dude. Oh. Oh my god. Dude, Dogman, watch out. It's going to land on you. That's just another lightning fruit. Get over here. Yeah, Aura. Dude, because I saw the Dominus and I'm like, dude, who is this? Yeah, I mean, that pretty much just works. All right. Let me make the icons. I have all these cats. Let me... We'll take CLV's website. And then let me... So Robux gift card Dominus. Little feathers on the back are the OG red Robux gift cards. Oh! That is sweet. That's pretty cool. Notice they don't have the $sign on there. I bet they removed that. Can't have the $sign on anything. No money. What am I looking for? Characters. It's down. Where is it? It's not alphabetical, dude. C, 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 and then all the way down here. All right. What is it? Save to file? No, save to OBJ. Export as OBJ. It not working. All right, well, I guess I just won't do that. I was gonna save these. Can I maybe it's because I need to be put in workspace? All right, well, that's another broken studio feature. Can't export to OBJ. That's great. Might need to restart your studio. Oops. All right, fine. I got this one open that doesn't need to be open. $1 billion company, dude. All these fuck-ass interns breaking everything. Roblox's interns are bad. My intern is good. It's okay if I use the intern, but they're not allowed to. Dude, what? I didn't save that? Or did I undo? There we go. All right, here we go. Let's see. Dude, this is such a nice website. Oh, the decal, the faces. What's up with that? They're already using your intern? Yeah, I bet. I wonder how much Roblox spends on Codex, or I wonder what they use. I wonder if they use Claude or Codex. Dude, the face. Where's the little... It doesn't support decals? Are we serious? OBJs don't do decals textures. Oh. Yeah, they're not textures for the mesh, they're decals. And it has to... That's annoying. Alright, well, I might not be able to use the website then for this. I think I'm gonna have to... I can use Photo Booth, but Photo Booth doesn't have like a way to upload it to Roblox easily. Although I think it did just get an update. Let's see. Manage plugins. Yeah, Photo Booth updated. Let's see what this is. Let's turn that on auto update. What y'all know about motivational TA? Remember that? Doesn't Leaf do viewports? I don't think he does viewports. Maybe he does. Maybe he does. I feel like... No, I don't feel like he does. I feel like this is icons. Especially the huges, and like they have an outline around them. Yeah, I think these are icons. Dude, that must be so annoying to do the inverted version, and then the big inverted version, and then the huge. Turn down your quality, you can see it's a viewport. Really? Looks the same to me. Leaf uses icons. I would imagine he uses icons, but also that's gotta be really annoying. Oh, you can see if it is. Yeah, I don't think so. I think it's icons. Huge is probably algorithmically made with the base icon. Maybe. Maybe? I'm wondering how he does the stroke here, because look at the... Like, if we... This doesn't look like some of these are like the full outline, but this down here, it's like around the image. It's wrapping around it. I don't think it's doing I don't think it's just blowing it up. Because how is he getting the outline to wrap around the image? It's doing it here too. And then here, the big, it's like probably scales the normal icon to extend past the frame, and then he adds a stroke. I don't know. Clip descendants, you can gradient transparency. Yeah, I don't know. Barely can even see the curve. I know you can barely see it, but it's technically there. I feel like that's not like even a stroke or anything. I feel like this is a curved. I feel like, because some of them are square, some of them aren't. This one is way up there. You can definitely see the curve there. I feel like he's doing it by hand. Yeah, the tomato one, you can definitely tell. I feel like he's... I don't know. I'm going to use images for mine, but I don't think I'm going to make custom images for all of them. I think I'm going to do, like... Well, I don't think I'm going to do inverted. And I'll probably just do, like, a little icon up here or something. Like, kind of how the Shiny has this, but just, like, extra icons. I don't know. I'm going to try not to have to make a bunch of different images. Okay. Photo booth. Let's see. Can I get the... Do they have like an export thing now? Can I export this to Roblox on my own? Or do I have to like save them all to file? Because that's when it gets really annoying. I don't think so. Oh, dude. Intern time. Using the photo booth plugin I have installed. Create a script that will take screenshots of objects. Leaf uses photo booth. Yeah, that's what I was imagining. In one of his streams, he shows it in a folder. It should use config so that rotation, position, offset, etc. from the model is consistent with every model. I'll just tell it that. Let's just see what it does. Can it get the... I would imagine it could get the plugin. It's in Core GUI, I think, but it's still... He still should still be able to get it. Let's see. I'm going to inspect the game tree. Find scripts where the plugin-related utility had a screenshot script in the least disruptive place. You know I shilled out for the photo booth plugin. Got the credit card out. Yeah, I had to get that one too. I didn't find existing photo booth. Uh-oh. I wonder if it can actually read this plugin. Maybe because it's not like directly in the game tree. Searching the web. It's trying to find it. That's crazy that you'll just search the web. Not exposed to normal game scripts. So I'm checking Roblox's. No, you don't need to check Roblox's capture related APIs. No, all right. Yeah, we're gonna stop you. You don't know how to plug in debug service. I wonder if I think it's setting in here to show all. Permission level. Explorer. Show hidden objects. Oh, show plugin. Plugin GUI service. Photo booth. That's just the UI itself. These are the Roblox. You can actually get the Roblox plugins in here. That's cool. Like the toolbox. Like, can I just... Yeah, this is just the toolbox UI. That's cool. You gotta turn on settings, plugin debug service. Isn't plugin debug for when it's a locally saved plugin? I'll just show everything. Plugin debug service. Yeah, I think that's for like locally saved. Yeah, I think it's in Core GUI. Capture service. Oh. Oh my god, there is so many of these down here. Holy. Okay, well there's something in there. Core GUI. EcoMoose plugin photo booth is import app. Is it not exposing me? It's exposing the UI. I want the scripts. This is... Yeah. Huh. I guess I can't get that. I mean, I could import the RBXM or whatever. I could probably get it if I tried hard enough, but I don't know. I can do the icons later. I'll figure that out sometime. I don't really need that right now. You have to download with insert service. Yeah, I'll probably have to like insert it. Whatever. We can do that later. I can work on something else. Let's see, what else does the game need? We got rolling. I mean, the game is basically done. I think I can just click publish and put some game passes on sale. There's a plugin called Model Photo Booth that looks like the CLV website, but in a plugin, but I don't know how good it is. Oh, you know, I might have seen this. Like taking screenshots in studio, renders your model. Oh, this might be exactly what I need. It even comes with outlines. Is it free? 5 for $4.99. All right. Oh. Alright, I didn't really mean to do that. I got it when it's free. Oh. I should have just asked you to send the file. Is it already? Oh, no, wait. I gotta go to Toolbox. My plugins. Model photo booth. Here we go. Alright, let's see. Disclaimer, uploading is currently restricted. Okay, I can't upload. It's so annoying. That's the one part I want, is to upload it through the plugin. Save PNG. Is that a beta? I think that's a beta feature, isn't it? To like save. I thought about create asset async. Does that not work? It was free for a bit when it came out, and then normal booth, photo booth went free for a weekend. Select the part, model, add it to the model strip. The panel contains a camera, blah, 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 blah. Common issues, viewport too small. Upload failed. If you installed this plugin locally. Oh. You unfortunately have to wait until Roblox. In the meantime, exporting. How can I download it locally? Because that's the one thing I want. Do they have like the download? Will I just have to do the insert service thing? He's not like providing a way to do it. Okay. Asset delivery. Download it to your plugin folder. Yeah, insert service and save as a plugin. Asset is not trusted for this place. Oh, they fixed it. Asset not trusted for this place. Use no, I don't want to plug in. Did you buy it on this account? If so, reopen Studio. What, for the third time? All right. Asset not trusted. Oh. All right, well, I guess I can just save it and export it for now. I'll just do a couple just to get something in here so we have them. And then when I get more actual, or when I actually start setting up like the cats and stuff, I'll try and figure it out. Use asset delivery. Oh, this is like API, Cloud API. Using asset delivery to get copy of game. Someone's trying to copy the game. I'll figure it out later. Rafflecopter? Wow, really? It's that easy? And save it as an RBXM. Model photo booth. Wow. And then I think I can just put this in the plugins folder, can I? Plugins folder. Put in the folder as a model. Put the folder in a model. Save as plugin. You got a RetroCat splash sheet? No, that's not from mine. That's not made by me, I mean. This? It's just someone else's that they made. Some random guy made them. And then it's just, yeah. Spinning Cat and How Long Johnson? What? Leaf is better. Okay. Do the translate. The stupid translation. Let's see, I think I probably have to restart Studio again. One more time. Okay. I think I'll have two. Yeah, I have two of them because one of them is the. Yes, I think this is the right one. Actually, I don't know which one is which. Let me uninstall the one from the website. But this is not all my plugins. Oh, it's still loading. Bro. Really doing this like one by one. Meme cat spinning around and How Long Johnson. I'll look it up. Let me see. Where is... Dude, this thing is so slow. What? How do you get the old studio icons back? There is a... in studio settings, there's this thing called custom icon directory, and then there's like a GitHub. This. You basically download that folder, and then you put it as your custom icon directory, and then, at least for the Explorer, it does it. It doesn't really do it anywhere else, I don't think. But the Explorer gets them back. Okay, are you... Dude, how... it's loading all the plugins in one by one. Waiting for model photo booth to show up. I don't know which one is which, so I'm trying to get rid of this one. Oh wait, can I go... Toolbox, this... Nope, there's no uninstall button. Great. Dude. This is so... It's... Surely it can be faster than this. Can I uninstall from up here? No. I'm literally just waiting. Or is it just not going to show up? Alright, well, I'll just try and figure it out. Let me see. Maybe this is the correct one. Let's see. Characters. Can I do multiple at a time? Yes, okay. So I gotta keep them selected. Does work with decals. Oh, I can even adjust like the FOV and stuff. Roll. This is kind of nice. Change the color. Sync lighting. Ooh. Go back. Ugh. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Color. Oh, it's a background. None. Give it an outline. That's pretty nice. I don't see it working. Does it need to have a background? I don't see the drop shadow. That doesn't look like it's working either. That's cool. Is it? Maybe I need to. You can see it on the blob. Oh, does it? I was wondering. I wanted a preview. Oh, you have to render. Oh. I see. You have to render a preview. Chromatic aberration. Dude, that's cool. Not that I'll use that. I mean, it'd be easy to make custom icons for every modifier. Like you could make some kind of special. I don't know. Use that. Yeah, they just like that, and then get a little drop shadow. Render all. Five renders. Ooh. Look at that. Bro still has the Anime Girl plugin, and dude, that's a virus on my computer, I'm telling you. Upload. Oh, this is the wrong version of it. I'm on the wrong one. I knew it. It's this one. Get rid of that. Can I uninstall this now? Did you appear in here? There's Motivational Ta. Hey, he wasn't in here before. Still not in there. Alright. I just have 2 of those now, I guess. I'm gonna try and... Oh, preset. The rotation is off. There's Motivational Ta. Yeah, Motivational Ta is really a problem. I haven't used that plugin in forever. It was made by... Has Rusty Pig even been in the server at all? I haven't seen that guy in forever. You're not that bright. Put an outline and a drop shadow. Just leave those default. Inner shadow probably doesn't need that. Okay. Render all. Upload all. Yes. Oh my god. So handy. Okay. Black cat. Oh, I didn't even give this an icon yet. Oh. It can't copy. The copy button doesn't work. Only took a couple minutes. Yeah, I think doing that took longer than the actual rolling process. The intern knocked out the rolling instantly, and then humans, man, something with humans. They can't do shit. Took me that long to get that figured out. I mean, I need to whip out the credit card. That was nice. Yeah, I think the $5 is worth it for that, to be honest. That's in Studio. You don't even have to export it out like CLV's website. That was pretty handy. Okay, now we need to... Oh, intern. Calvin. Okay, cats now all have a dot icon. Give update their image to that icon. Only took so long because Roblox won't load the plugins. Yeah, it won't. I was waiting for here probably for a couple minutes. The local version. Yeah. It's just not in... There it is. Get out of here. Uninstall. There we go. Now I just have the local one, which is... I can't... Dude, they need a scroll bar or something for this plugin thing. Oh, they do! Oh my god. You can scroll wheel. It just doesn't have a visual scroll bar. Yeah, that's honestly... That's probably one of my favorite plugins now. Alright. Is it gonna do its thing? Yeah. There you go, little buddy. Boom. You can make a custom tab and put certain plugins you need. Yeah, I know you can do custom stuff, but I haven't even messed with it. There we go. I mean, that is pretty much, yeah. If I could get something different than the white cat. Come on, Lucky. Bro. Oh my god. Give me something. There we go. Yeah. I mean, I think that's pretty good for a start. My RNG script, by the way, this is, I think, kind of copying what Leaf did. I took that code that Derp Monster showed off screen, and I kind of looked into that, whatever it's called, like, get the chance in the number of rolls that it's possible or something using the luck. So I think this is pretty similar to what Leaf's is like. So I think the RNG module is fine. I also have like a little debug thing to try it out, and it seemed pretty accurate. So unless Leaf's RNG module is lying and is misleading with its chances, but I don't think that would ever happen. Did I get anything? No. I never get anything, bro. Oh, I just got a... Did I just get a fire fruit? I swear I just saw that appear on my screen. Okay, maybe I'm hallucinating. Alright, will there be shiny versions? Yeah, I'm gonna have shinies. I'll probably have huges. I'll probably do stuff like that, I think. Next, I guess let's do... I'm gonna have to do a lot of UI from this point on, because I need the inventory next, where you can equip your cats. Because I don't have that. I kind of have an NPC system from another game, so I might be able to fat instead of huge, true fat cats. Except you can't say that. Roblox doesn't like you to say fat. They don't like you saying that. Send the RBXM of the plugin. Dude, I would never support piracy. Never. You gotta spend the $5. Yeah, I think this is an NPC system. I can pretty much do the cats following you around and stuff, but I need to do the inventory so you can actually equip them. But I guess I can actually just let's see, what am I looking for? Here we go. I moved some stuff around. No, not profile store. Default table. Equipped cats equals, and then I'll do, or equipped, I'll just do equipped, and then inventory equals, and then I'll just, this is really debug, equals white cat. That's good. That's the modifiers. So if that's empty, then no modifiers. And then equipped 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay. And now I think I can do, let's see how much, 13%. What time is it? About an hour and a half. Let's see how much we can get off 13%. Okay, in Retro Cats RNG, we need to take the equipped table in a player's data and have the cats follow them around. I don't know if it'll let me. I think if I use this NPC system, it has way too much to read in here and it's gonna get lost. And I think that might be too much. But I mean, these slimes are pretty independent. I mean, they walk around, they attack stuff. I feel like I should try. Yeah, I'll make them like them. I'll make them NPCs. Fuck it. We can afford it. Okay. Using the lightweight NPCs system, the cats will follow around a certain radius. If you direct it to exactly what you want, it should be fine. Yeah. Honestly, I haven't really, this is a system made by someone on the dev forum. This is open source, so I'm just telling it, hey, use this. The player, the lightweight NPC system works so that it mostly client renders visuals and the server is just a part telling it what to do, basically. We want it so that every player sees your cats unless they have a setting enabled that hides cats from other players or themselves. Like a type. Themselves. Oh, no, I didn't mean to send that yet. Let's see. The cats should circle around you depending on the number you have equipped. so they get closer to each other or space out, the more/less you equipped. In the future, they will also be able to target and attack enemies, so don't strictly lock them to the player, but that's what we want right now. Make sure updates from a player's equipped also correctly update the models or the cats following the player. Let's just see how good it is. Alright, I think that already took a percent. Let's see. I'm going to map the scripts. Let's see if it can even get past mapping everything out before it dies. I think it took like 20-ish% to do the RNG system, so yeah. I was using it earlier, I shouldn't have, or I should have started streaming before I started using it. I probably ate up a bunch because I told it to go through this entire 2,000 line script and add types and all of these descriptions for every parameter to every function. That probably took up a lot, I bet. Oh my god, it's only 9% and it's still just reading. Yeah, dude, we're cucked. The cat rigs live under each character module as rig. Yep. I'm too lazy to tell it everything it needs. So like, same thing as Steel Retro Cats with all the cats, just RNG form. Similar, yeah. If you've checked out the game Slime RNG, kind of gonna be copying this, but making it these retro cats that we have here. We have all the cats in the game right here. And we're basically just gonna be making it like retro cat RNG. Because I think it's a quick game that I can get out. I can get it out pretty quickly, but we can still work on other games. It's not too hard to make and try and cash in on this RNG genre. I'm sure a lot more RNG games are going to come out because of the success of this one. So I love Slime RNG. Yeah. What do you think of the update today? A lot of people didn't have nice things to say about it. What do you think? Haven't played it yet, to be honest. I've been doing art and quest grinding. Oh, yeah. People were not happy. I'm in a server with the developer of it, and he was showing us. Oh, hey, little buddy. Is he circling me? I didn't want him to do that. Oh my god. Derp's working on a new game, Rip Drill Bit. Really? Is he working on another game? Dude, I didn't want it to circle around me. I wanted it to stay in a circle. This is not what I asked for. I mean, it's not the worst, but it's not really what I asked for. How much percent did that use? Oh, 2% left, dude. I don't think I can get anything else out of the intern. Hold on, I want to see what he's doing. What is he doing? Itching the RP. Oh my god. Dude. Viewers in the chat are saying they're excited and curious about the streamer's new game development project. They're offering coding suggestions, expressing enthusiasm for the progress. Are we really expressing enthusiasm? Wait, this doesn't look like Drillbit.
There's no, I'm not kidding.
He was already rage baited earlier.
There's zero audience for this, but I don't care. This probably will utilize live.
Still gonna work on Drillbit, don't worry. Oh my goodness. Dude, he's so close to getting it done. He just needs to lock in on that game. Like, he's literally right there. Oh, dude, I'm out. I completely ran out. That was it. Okay, well, I didn't want you to circle around me. I mean, I guess it's fine for testing for now, but yeah, this is not what I wanted. But anyway, I'm pretty happy with this rolling, honestly. This is kind of good. Gotta wait till next week. No, it's just my 5 hour. In an hour and a half, I'll get more. I'm at 50% for my weekly already, though. Or I could add credits. Ooh. Let's see. How much does it take? 1,000 credits is $40. View rate card. How much credits do I get normally? How many have I already used? I can't compare that with what I've already used. Yeah, I'm not spending $40. Yeah, it's so cool seeing that up there. All right, I gotta go manual mode now. I guess I'll design the inventory. I can work on some UI while the intern is taking a break. Let's see. I just copied like the settings. Inventory. Let me upload. Backpack. Slime RNG update was pretty fire. Yeah. There's a lot of people like, oh, L Leaf. Oh, this update sucks. Where's the admin reviews, dude? People were like so upset. It was funny watching. Ugh. And then we were playing along in that Discord with him, just like, L Leaf. I'm gonna make my own slime RNG now, and now that's what we're all doing. Bro, I'm gonna. This plugin is awesome. Yeah, I know. It's a really good plugin. It's really good. I saw that a while ago, and I never used it, and I'm honestly shocked I didn't try it out. I guess I saw the $5, and I was like, ew. Why is this not? Oh, that's interesting. Yeah. Tons of swords I have to make images of. Yeah, it's gonna be so nice for like this with the bulk. Don't Wake the Retro Cats, my other game, is using viewport frames, and it's so laggy. It would be so crazy to change it all up to use this. Although it won't work with the modifiers in my game. They add custom mesh parts and stuff. I don't think that would work unless I made images of every single one, which would take forever. I don't really want to do that. With Drop Shadow? I know, it's so good. I really wish... Why is this not growing? Why? Huh? I want it to be... I want it to scale in the X, but not in the Y. That. Alright. This is hard to do when my screen is so small. Let's see. Let's copy from Slime RNG. Did we get anything? No. Yeah, probably that size is fine. And it perfectly fits all models, so even if you select model of different sizes, it zooms out. Oh my god. That's crazy. Get back to work. Jeez. Get off of my screen. This virus is so annoying, bruh. Oh my god. It's not even... Bruh. Oh. And a glow. Calm down, little buddy. The way I designed this is really annoying for trying to get this to look right. Go. Virus? Oh, it's just this joke I have with this plugin. It's some like anime girl plugin that shows up, and I just pretend it's a virus. There we go. Let's copy you over to buttons. Backpack. Index null. Oh, I know why. Here we go. Requested a... Huh? What? Index null with position. My breath is gone. Backpack. New frame. Menu. Main. Menus. Oh, it's called inventory. Oops. Alright. Oh, by the way, I have server authority on in this game. I'm gonna leave server authority on as I work, because that's in the client beta right now, and I think it should be coming out in a couple weeks. I don't know if you can. It's kind of hard to notice, but I'm kind of, whenever I jump, it kind of messes up a little bit. They have some work to do on it still. It's cool having the cat follow me. But yeah, like I can't. Like if I try to move around, can't do it. If I try to increase my walk speed, it just sets it straight to it. But yeah, pretty crazy. Base max health, base walk speed. I think these are attributes that it's controlling on the humanoid. Legless kitty. Yeah, I think it's oh, that's interesting. I can still move in my admin control flying around. They're in the ground. Yeah. I need to fix that. He's in the ground. And he's not supposed to be circling me like this either. My intern, ChatGPT messed up. Oh my god, I just had an idea. For the Huges that Leaf didn't do. Lollipop. I don't know. Did you play Bubblegum Infinity? They did something with the UI I think would be perfect for Huges. I was wondering how I was going to show Huges in the UI without making extra icons. Or it won't load. Uh-oh. Oh. Dude, my stream is like dying. Hello? Is it? That was weird. I just like tanked. I didn't. Okay. Anyway. I haven't played this game in forever either, to be honest. I don't know what's happening. Dude, that loading this game killed my computer. Holy. I haven't played this in so long. I don't even know. Dude, they got so much random... Oh, season. Oh. So much going on. Anyway. Dude, like this. Look, in my inventory, the Huges... Well, these aren't Huges, they're secrets, but they're, like, actively bigger than everything else. Like, look how it, like... Look, it, like, fills it up. Peak game. Yeah, I played this a lot when it came out. But you see how it's like way bigger in here, but then it still fits in with the UI layout? I think Derp figured out how to do this. Derp Monster did this. I probably got some pretty valuable stuff on here. I think some of these were way early game. I wonder how much value I have on this game that's like probably dead. Oh, now they have extra larges. Yeah, there's so much to do in this game now. Ugh. Get me out of here. Oh, I gotta wash it off with... Give me back in here. Oh, Slime RNG. Yes, there we go. I'm safe. Oh, I got put in the server. Thought I'd be with Dogman. But I'm gonna do that for the Huges so it fills up more. I think he did open source this. Maybe it's not in this server. No, it is. Different size cells. Yeah, let me download that. Because look. This, where they can be like different sizes. This is sweet. I'm gonna do this for the Huges. Because that just makes so much sense. It's really cool. Alright, let's see. Let's copy more of this UI. We've got the line here with your equipped, and then we have the list with all of your owned slimes. Oh, bonus jackpot. Oh my god. Come on, come on. Yes, I think that's the best one I could have gotten. Yeah, 1 in 69 trillion. Nice. So easy. Alright. There's an equip best button up here. Here, let me just take a screenshot of this. That'd make this easier. Alright. Let me... Oh man, this is really hard to do with my screen so small. Let's see, backpack. Oh, dude, the little plus thing is gone. I can't. Where did that go? I have to insert object. Oh my god. Dude. That's so annoying. Characters. And then, did I correctly? I think I did. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's so annoying. Dude, I'm gonna restart Studio. Dude, what's that, like the 4th time I've restarted Studio now? So annoying. It's gone. What? I didn't have it. Did like, is this a setting or something? Oh. Dude, my stream is dying right now. Another win for declarative UI. Is this a setting? Explorer? Show plus button. Oh, I turned that off on accident. Oh, there we go. Dude, my stream is dying. At least on my end. I don't know if it looks normal for you guys. Dude, my stream is not delayed. Oh, it's lagging though. Dude. Yeah. You know what? I think I'm just gonna end it. Dude, it's lagging and I don't know why it's doing that. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna end it. Alright, yeah. See you around. I don't know, it's lagging. Dirt Monster's DDoSing you to take out the competition. Yeah, go. Here, you guys can have fun at Dirt Monster's stream. I'll say I sent you. Yeah, I don't know why it's dying. I guess it's him. He's DDoSing me. There you go. Go check that out. Yeah, I don't know why it's dying. I guess it's him. Okay. I'm out of here.